In this video, I will show you how to automate invoicing with Zapier. So first, go to zapier.com and then click on create and then go ahead and click on Zaps. As you can see guys, you will see trigger and action. Click on trigger and search for Shopify or WooCommerce. You will choose if what you can use or you Stripe. I will choose Shopify. So click on it and then in action, you will choose between a FreshBooks, QuickBooks or Xero. Okay. So I will choose Xero. And then here, click on Shopify and then choose an event. So I will choose a new customer. So you will choose anything you want here and then I will click on Xero and then I will choose an event also and then I will search for invoice and then I will click create sales invoice and here after that I will connect my account here. So in Shopify I will connect it. So once it's connected I will click on continue and here I will complete this information. So you need to set up this to Shopify. So this is for the information for invoice. For example, these names, codes, country codes, so country informations like that. Like address, postal address, physical address, here the address line 1, line 2, town, country, tax number, account number, contact number, status if draft or approved, date, due date, currency, you will choose the currency, attachment here like the files, branding theme like standard, and then the reference, and then here it has many information and after you finish it, click on continue. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.